Good morning, students. This is your Ranjana ma'am teaching you class 4 science. Students, we have learned chapter 6. Now let us see the brief summary of what we have learned in the chapter. The place where an animal or the plant normally lives is called its habitat. Animals that live on land are called terrestrial animals. Animals that can fly are called aerial animals. Animals that live in water are called aquatic animals. Amphibians are a group of animals that live both on land and in water. Animals can be divided into herbivorous, carnivorous and omnivorous based on the food they eat. Animals have adaptations that are suited to their habitats and the food they eat. Animals are an important part of the environment. You should take steps to protect the animals found around you. You should take good care of your pets. This is in brief the summary. And let us also see the concept map that is there. The need for adaptation in animals and animals in our life. Adaptation in animals, the need for adaptation. Adaptations to habitat and climate. Adaptations to food habits through body modifications. Now adaptations to habitat and climate, based on that, there are terrestrial animals and there are aquatic, aerial and amphibians. And terrestrial animals, those that live on trees, arboreal. Then what is estivation, hibernation, camouflage, mimicry. I hope by now you know what are they. Then adaptations to food habits through body modification, herbivorous, carnivorous, omnivorous. Who are called herbivorous? Animals that eat only plants. And carnivorous, those that eat the flesh of other animals. And omnivorous, both plants and animals. Then we have learnt about the importance of animals, caring for the animals, taking care of animal habitats and taking care of your pets. So this is in brief what we have learned in the chapter. Now take out your book, page number 62. We will do the checkpoint in the book, but after this you will do it in your fair work copy. This is to be done in the fair work copy. Students, don't forget it. Number A, choose the correct option. Which of the following is not an adaptation that is observed in terrestrial animals? Many of them have 4 legs to move from place to place. This is not the correct option. Some of them that live in deserts sleep during the day and are active at night. Some of them have thick fur on their bodies. Many of them breathe through gills. This option is not correct for terrestrial animals. This is true for aquatic animals. So, take option D. Number 2. How does a camel's hump help it to survive in the desert? You remember, camel's hump store fat. It helps the camel to balance its body while walking. No. It protects the camel during a sandstorm. No. It stores fat which can be used to get energy when food is not available. That is why the camel can stay without food for months in the desert, because it has hump on its back and the hump stores fat. It stores water so that the camel need not drink water for a long time. No, option C is the correct option. Take it. Number 3. Which of the following is not matched correctly? Polar bears and their thick coat of fur. It's true, they have thick coat of fur. Turtles and their fins. Turtles don't have fins. Who have fins? The fish have fins. Turtles have flippers. Monkeys and their long tail. Yes, they have long tail which helps them to climb on trees and get the support on the trees. Frogs and their powerful hind legs that help them to leap and jump on land. We have learnt about it. So your option is B. Tick B, which is not matched correctly. Number 4. Which of the following is true about frogs? Frogs have gills to help them breathe in water. No, they breathe through the moist skin in water. They have air holes in the skin that can trap air. No, their skin helps them breathe in water. Yes, this option is correct. They have lungs that help them breathe in water. No, lungs help them to breathe on the land. Number B, pick the odd one out. Chameleon, ladybird beetle, polar bear, stick insect. Here the option will be the odd one is ladybird beetle. Others, they can mix with the surroundings so that they cannot be identified by their enemies. Fish, frog, dolphin, shark. This answer will be fish. Others can breathe through lungs, but fish breathe through gills. Frog, salamander, toad, crow. They all are amphibians. Crow is an aerial bird. Crow, tiger, lion, wolf. Others are animals, carnivorous, but crow is a bird. Bear, fish, squirrel, deer. Your option is fish, because it lives in water. Form similar pairs of words. Summer sleep means estivation, then winter sleep means hibernation. Hibernation. Summer sleep and estivation, winter sleep and hibernation. Migration and seasonal movement of animals. Camouflage and protective coloring. So, migration means they go for some time during the harsh winter to other countries, then come back to their own place. This is called migration. Migration. Light and hollow bones. Which animal has this? The birds have it. Strong limbs and tail and arboreal. That is like the monkeys. They live on trees. Herbivore and plant-eating animals. Carnivore and flesh-eating animals. Carnivore eats the flesh of other animals. Carnivore. So students, do your checkpoint in your fair work copy. Next day we will do the question answer. But don't forget to write the word meaning as question number 1 in your classwork copy. We will start from question number 2. Thank you students. Have a nice day.